Here we have a 2019 BMW 520d XDRIVE M Sport Touring. Now this vehicle comes with over £11,000 worth of optional extras, all listed on the website, but just to mention a few, we do have the Comfort and also the M Sport Plus package. We have the 19-inch alloy wheels in gloss black, all in excellent condition and unmarked. We do also have the black sapphire metallic paintwork, LED headlights. We also have the gloss black front grills and the gloss black front splitter. This vehicle also has the M Performance kit. If we make our way around to the passenger side, you find the side skirts along the bottom, colour-coded door handles and door mirrors. We've got the black trim around the windows with the privacy glass as well for the rear passengers. Up top you find the black roof rails. We do also have the shark fin antennae and the rear spoiler as well just there. We also have another alloy wheel down here, as you can see, again unmarked. We have the front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside and a reversing camera as well. Got the rear diffuser with the dual legs exhaust at the back, XDRIVE badging on the tailgate, which is power operated. If we press the button just here on the remote like so, then it will open just like that. Inside of here you find we have plenty of space for whatever you may need. We do have the partial shelf up there. We also have a 12-volt connectivity and also the tow bar as well button there. We have the button up here. If you press this button, then it will close again just like so. And walking back round to the driver's side, you find this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So taking a look at the interior, if you have a look at the back first, you find the full leather interior. We've got the black leather, foldable armrest in the centre and the fixed ISO points. We also have the grey stitching throughout the vehicle. You may have noticed on the doors the ambient lighting. We have the vents down there for the rear passengers. We also have the electric windows and the premium Harman Kardon sound system. Again, at the front we have the same full leather interior. There's a look at them front seats, both of which are electrically adjustable. Driver's side has the memory function and they're also both heated. We've got the premium Harman Kardon sound system. Again, we've got the ambient lighting, electric windows for child lock for the rear, power folding electric mirrors. We have the memory functions just there for the driver's side. We also have the automatic lights, the automatic wipers, multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated. If we take a seat inside, then you find the paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel. We have the speed limiter and the cruise control on the left hand side. Put a foot on the brake, press the start button, the vehicle will start up for us. Steering wheel is also electrically adjustable with this stalk just here. As you can see, we can move it up, down or forwards and backwards. We have the digital dashboard just here in front of us as well, free from any warning lights. We also have the main screen in the centre, currently showing the sat-nav. Got the shortcuts down here, so click onto the media. Then you'll find that we have the radio stations just there. We also have the other options which we can scroll down through just like so. Got the Bluetooth phone connectivity for making phone calls. If you go to the main menu, go into My Vehicle, go on to the settings. This is where you find the interior ambient lighting just here with plenty of colours which we can choose from. We do also have the intelligent safety system just here, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. And further down you find the climate control. We have the heated seats on either side and the ice-cold air conditioning as well, all working as they should do, as you can see. Got the automatic gearbox just here, the different drive modes. So we put it into Eco Pro. You can see it has Eco Pro. We have Comfort and also the Sport drive mode. Also changes a look at the dashboard for the different drive modes. So that's Sport, that's Comfort, and this is Eco Pro. Put the car into reverse, you find the reversing camera and the parking sensors appear on the screen. Put it back into park. Inside of here you find we have the wireless phone charging. We also have the cup holders and a USB port. We have the electric handbrake, auto hold button, parking sensors, and also a leather armrest in the centre, which can be opened up for more storage. Gloss black trim as well throughout the centre just here. Well, that's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 520d XDRIVE M Sport Touring. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as you expect it to. As you can see, I'm now at the 5 with the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line. We're now veering off to the left or to the right hand side, we're staying straight and true. Now we do have the multifunction steering wheel, which has the paddle shifters on either side. So if you want to set the car into manual mode, just tap one of the paddles and it will change gear. Steering wheels are also heated with the button just in the centre. We've got the cruise control and the speed limiter buttons on the left hand side, volume buttons on the right. If you do listen carefully throughout this video test drive, you'll also notice we'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. We do have the premium Harman Kardon sound system, which really does sound incredible in this vehicle, and plenty more features, £11,000 worth of optional extras, all listed on the website. But we do have the ambient lighting, really does look nice, especially at night time. Electrically adjustable seats, very comfortable. You need to do 2, 3 or even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. We do also have the lumbar support, and that also both heated the front seats are. Main screen in the centre, currently showing the sat nav, plenty of features on there that you've just seen on the photos. We do also have the dual zone climate control just below there, as good air conditioning, and we do also have the automatic gearbox as well with all the different drive modes. We've got the wireless phone charging on this vehicle, nice little leather armrest in the centre. About to take a right hand turn, so put our right indicator on now and start to slow down. Wait for the traffic to pass, one more car, and then we make the right hand turn onto the industrial park, and then I'll perform an emergency stop now in 3, 2 and 1. Hand to the brakes, put the car into reverse. We've got the reversing camera appear on the screen, put it back into drive with no issues whatsoever. If this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions, along with running through some inquiries with you. That's all for me today though. Cheers.